welcome back to my channel. It's justaraba, and today we are going to do a haul. It is of course a SHEIN haul. I'll go ahead and jump straight into the video, okay? First pair of earrings. Tell me it does not scream dinner on somebody's island, dressed up, looking scrumdiddly yum yum. Oh my gosh, y'all. These are heavy, so if you have droopy ears, I would not recommend wearing these, but these ain't bad, okay? These are the first pair, and we are starting off strong. Y'all, this is the second pair, and we're gonna try it on. Now, I don't know if I'm wearing it wrong, low-key, I think I am, or maybe this is the style. Still eating, okay? Maybe it's meant to be like this, but yeah, this is the second pair. A nice little blue moment. Again, these are heavy, so if your ears are droopy, sorry to tell you, this might not be it for you. On to next.
These are the rest of the jewelry that I bought, as well as some travel packs for my trip.
So I'm such a clutch girl, and the first bag is this beautiful zebra print clutch. Come on, y'all, you didn't see me? Anyway, it is very big, and there is a lot of room in this thing. Like, I'm pretty sure you can like spread it out and make it as big as you need it to be. Very cute. Just want to start adding more patterns into my outfits, so this is for sure a go-to. And honestly speaking, like, tell me this is not given fashionable. But all right, the next bag I've clearly been using because my stuff is in here, but I needed an everyday bag, especially something that's black. I know is it JW Pay? They have those really cute bags, but I just decided to just order this for now. So I got me an everyday bag. It came with 2 straps. So it fits a lot in here. It looks really kind of tiny, but I feel like my whole wallet in here. I have a mini tripod in here and lip gloss and so on and so forth. But yeah, I guess I only ordered 2 bags on SHEIN. That's very rare of me. I already have enough bags. I'm starting to realize that I am a girly that cannot do like 4 or 5 inches heels. So lately I've just been getting like semi-kitten heels on SHEIN, and I think that's what I'm just gonna start getting my heels. But very comfortable, y'all. Now I'm pretty sure I tied these wrong, but yeah. You see the legs? Okay, we've been in the gym. See the calves? Anyway, yeah, these are very comfortable. Rate them, and I'm wide foot. I got wide ass feet. Shout out to my mom and my dad for giving me my toe being on top. But yeah, these are for sure really cute. I for sure tied these wrong, but this again, kitten heel, very comfortable, very cute, not bad. Short heels are my vibe. I'm not about to do like 6 inches. I am not grown enough for that. Last heel. Yeah, see, these are a little too high, but they're cute. Okay, I'm just gonna have to learn how to walk in heels. I walk on my heels instead of my toes. That's why heels be kind of hard for me. But y'all, these are so cute. Yo, this might be like for pictures. For pictures, and then you call it a day. Like, okay.
These are the rest of the sets that I got from SHEIN. The orange was my fave. I can wear the top or the bottom separately, but these are so cute. The red set is something that I've actually already purchased before in a different color. And this last set is what it was supposed to look like, but I did not know how to tie it. So we're gonna try again another time.
Damn, these would be cute. Give me a second. Alright, you guys, so this is another shorts that I bought. This is now actually shorts compared to the black one. Cute pockets as always. It is a little bit tighter on the thighs for me, but honestly speaking, I'm a thick girl, okay? The difference with the short is that the zippers on the side, it is a little bit of a struggle to put up the shorts. Cute, cute, cute. On to the next. This is another skirt that I purchased. The color, OMG, in the sun. I know this is giving fall. But it's just because of what I'm matching it with. For my tall girlies, I don't know, this might not be for you because I am 5'2.5", yes, the half count. And this is what it's looking like on me. Not bad, fits the waist really nicely. On to the next. Oh, this is cute. Now this low-key goes. We have these pants that you can see is really long. I don't know how it shows on camera, but it's like fits my thick thighs. I'm starting to realize that wide-legged pants are really like cute for my type of shape. You see the booty? And then the top is very much comfortable as well. It's fitted on the waist side, and then the top is just a bit like loose. I ordered this in black, and I also got it in white. I'm obviously not gonna put the white one on because I have makeup on, but yes. Okay, girl. The only thing I would say about this is I think the blacks are 2 different shades, which makes no damn sense. Why would you make this like, I don't know if you can catch that on camera, but it's literally 2 different shades. But I digress, it's still cute. So for this one, I don't know how the top goes, but I tied it right here. This is a cute pair. This is also another shorts that I ordered. I don't know how I'm feeling about the shorts because I feel like I'm in between sizes. Medium is like too big, but a small is too small. I literally don't know what to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with this size, whatever the size is, or maybe go a size. But this top, I really don't know how to figure it out. Of course, I'm gonna have to tape up my boobs. The back is cute, it's bare back. And it's like a creamish color if you can't see that on camera. And it's really cute with this as well. The last 2 bodysuits I have is just this one. It's like off the shoulder. I'm too tired to try it on. But this is off the shoulder, cutesy. And then this is just another basic, like regular bodysuits that you get on SHEIN. Like skim stoop. This is for sure skim stoop. This is not big busted friendly. Stop, this would have been a really cute top though. Maybe I should button here. But this was the last top. This is what it looked like. I don't think I'm taking this on vacation, to be honest with you. But it's cute. Very cute for like maybe a night out or something. I'm so, oh wait y'all. Stop, this would have been so cute. Man, this was cute. Real cute, y'all. Me like. Very simple, excuse the necklace. Oh, very cute. I'm so nauseous. I want to sleep. Very cute, very simple. And then the fringes, very stretchy and breathable. And I think there's, yeah, it's for sure 2 layers because we about to be walking around here naked. For this one, not so at all, but it's cute. Something, I did not know the back. I don't think I like this one. Back is not really given. The front is okay. Why is the back like that? Like, is it because I'm putting all my weight? Y'all see that? But I already bought this dress in red and I fell in love with it. So we just got it in white. The only thing I'll say about this dress is, again, titties. If you don't got boob problems, then you are good, but still very cute. The design on the side is like pinkish reddish. I really wish there was more boob clearance because whose titties, like, whose titties is covering this? But I digress. Nonetheless, it's still cute. Alright y'all, this is the last piece. It's cute, but I need to tape up my boobs to wear this. But it's so cute. I know y'all have been seeing this going on around TikTok. Did I fix the back? Anyway, this is the last dress. It's cute. It's a lot to figure out, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure you probably benefit like it down so it stays down and it doesn't roll over. But nonetheless, oh, I missed the butt. Nonetheless, it's still really cute. A lot of reds in this haul. There's a lot of red. Are you brushing your teeth? Oh, this is the way you look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Thank you. If you got in here, put up what we put? A red heart in the comments. Because there's a lot of reds in this video, but more hauls to come. Let me know what your favorite piece was or favorite item was. I genuinely don't know what mine was. Don't recall. There was too many things going on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my previous vlogs of me traveling. Of course, we're gonna have a travel vlog for this vacation. So I'll see y'all.